Hello everyone, welcome to TutorialsPoint. In this video, we are going to discuss about some of the major disorders of the respiratory system. So first, let us discuss about the first disorder, which is known as asthma. This is one of the most common disorders of the respiratory system. What happens here? Here, it shows symptoms of difficulty in breathing. A person suffering from asthma actually finds very difficult to breathe normally like a normal healthy human being. So this actually happens because of narrowing and inflammation of the bronchi and the bronchioles. So we can understand if the narrowing happens, if the width of these bronchi and bronchioles becomes narrow, it becomes shorter, then proper air circulation would not be possible, and hence the body will suffer from lack of proper oxygen and again increase in carbon dioxide. So this will result in high rates of breathing and absolutely a difficult condition to breathe. These are mostly caused by allergens. So allergens are certain small molecules or small particles which causes allergy, and due to this allergy it causes the inflammation of bronchi and the bronchioles in the lungs. So one of the most common allergen is the house dust. Now one of the most common use of drug is aspirin. So aspirin actually provides relief to this asthmatic patients. The next type of disorder is known as the emphysema. So this is a disorder where the alveoli gets damaged. Now we can understand if the alveoli gets damaged, then the surface area for respiratory exchange of gases will get reduced. So this is actually a chronic disorder of the respiratory system. This is mostly caused due to excessive smoking of cigarettes. The next type of disorder is basically a respiratory disorder based on occupation. Because of certain occupations of certain people, so they suffer from basic respiratory disorders. So these are the diseases which occurs because of exposure to air pollutants. So what type of air pollutants? These are mostly seen in people who are working for industries, for example, breaking of stones, grinding. Here a lot of small particles are there around their air. So these are the particles, these are the air pollutants which causes their respiratory disorders, and these people are mostly affected who are working in certain grinding and breaking stone industries. So long exposure to these type of pollutants can lead to fibrosis and severe lung damage. So what is a common prevention method? So these people working in these type of industries, they should wear proper protective masks. So in this video, we have talked about certain common respiratory disorders. What are those? Some of them are the occupational respiratory disorders. We have talked about the emphysema, which is mostly caused due to excessive smoking, and a very common disease of the respiratory disorder is the asthma. So I hope you have understood and liked this video. Thank you.